friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are here to discuss a new circular issued by Government of India, Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue, Central Board of Direct Taxes, circular number 12/22 dated 16 June 2022. So the Finance Act 2022 inserted a new section 194R in the Income Tax Act 1961, hereinafter referred to as the Act. So in the new section 194R of the Income Tax Act, it has been said that if a business company gives to another any benefit which is related to his business or profession, then it will have to deduct 10% TDS on its value thereon. This section will cover tour packages, free samples, gifts, gift vouchers or coupons or other benefits or incentives. Such incentives may be fully or partially in cash or may be converted into cash. However, there is a condition in this, that is, if the turnover of the beneficiary company or the business is less than 1 crore or value of incentives is less than 20,000 in any financial year, then this rule of TDS will not apply. So this provision will be applicable only to the residents of India. It can be easily understood with the help of an example. Suppose an agent of an insurance company receives a mobile phone worth rupees 50,000 from the company on meeting the sales target, then the insurance company will have to deduct TDS rupees 50,000 on it. Since the amount incentive value will be reflected on the insurance agent's Form 26AS, from which it will have to be added to his income. Earlier, such incentives were not tracked, due to which the person taking the incentives was saved from paying tax on it. So if a person not added such incentives or benefits to his income, then the income tax department can levy interest or penalty on it at the time of assessment. Similarly, if the business such as company forgets to deduct TDS on such incentive or benefit, then it will not be allowed business expenditure under the provision of the Income Tax Act. This provision of the Income Tax Act does not apply to the gift received by a company to the employee, as it comes under salary and TDS is deducted on it under 192 of the Income Tax Act. So that is it for the circular, and the link for this PDF, the link for this circular will be in the description box and you can check it out from there. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. Thank you.